Meet Alex, 24, first job, decent paycheck, gone by day 10, rent looming, friends going out, that just this once coffee that turns into 5. Sound familiar? Alex isn't bad with money. Alex is normal. 80% of young workers live paycheck to paycheck. But one tiny trick changed everything for Alex, and it can for you too. Stay with me. This was Alex's cycle. Payday felt like winning. Then, day 3, coffee run with coworkers, $6. Day 5, quick online sale, $45. Day 8, dinner out because cooking takes too long, $22. Day 12, rent panic. Alex made $2,800 a month, but $1,200 rent plus $400 bills left just $1,200 that vanished. Alex felt trapped. You know this feeling. Then Alex found the 2-account trick, not a budget app, not tracking every penny, just 2 accounts. Here's how stupidly simple it is. Step 1. The day payday hits, instantly move 50% to a second account called Life Later. Alex's numbers: $2,800 paycheck, $1,400 instantly to Life Later, rent, bills, savings. $1,400 stays in every day, food, fun, gas. Step 2. Forget the Life Later account exists. Never touch it until bills due. Here's what happened. Day 3, coffee craving. Alex checks everyday balance, still $13.50, buys coffee. No guilt. Day 8, dinner out. Everyday balance is $12.80, goes out, still fine. Day 15, rent due, opens Life Later, $1,400 sitting there, untouched, pays rent calm as ice. 3 months later, Alex had 0 overdraft fees, $400 emergency fund started, still went out with friends, felt control for the first time. The 2-account trick works because your brain spends what it sees. Hide half your money from yourself and you spend 30% less without feeling deprived. Your 3 steps tonight. 1. Open banking app. Set up second account. Life Later. 2. Next payday, auto transfer 50% there instantly. 3. Never check Life Later balance until bills due. Try the 2-account trick this week. Tell me in comments, what's disappearing your paycheck fastest? Tomorrow's video shows the next step that turns extra cash into real investments. Hit subscribe. You're building your leap.